Hi everyone, and welcome to Let's Get Luxe. I'm so glad you could join me today, and I'm very excited because I am finally sharing with you what I got for Christmas. This is my first what I got for Christmas video, and I can't wait to show you the goodies I got. I do confess a couple of these I got for myself, but I'm excited about them, so I thought I would share them with you. And I'm also really excited because if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that my husband got me my first Saint Laurent piece, which I will show you today. But before we get into the gifts, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. Okay, so I'm going to go over the gifts that I got for myself first. The first one is actually this sweater. Obviously it's winter and we're inside a lot, and I just like that cozy feeling. And when I saw this sweater, I fell in love with it, mostly because I love the hearts on the elbows. As soon as I saw that sweater and those hearts, I knew it would be the perfect sweater to wear with my Gucci Soho Disco. So I bought it with that in mind, even though, to be honest, with COVID, we haven't really gone out at all. But I'm going to insert a couple of mod shots just for fun. The second gift I got for myself, I am really excited about. I think it's apparel of, growing up watching Sex and the City. My friends and I used to always get together and have some wine and watch Sex and the City. And that is when this started. I've always wanted a pair of MANOLO BLAHNIK shoes. I've never splurged on them before. I think I've just been prioritizing other things, but I found them on great sale and I figured I should just go for it while they're on sale. They are the classic silhouette that Manolo BLAHNIK is known for. I don't know what possessed me to buy white pumps of all things, but they are so gorgeous. I mean, white pumps is definitely kind of a special occasion thing for me. Like, this isn't something I'd wear every day to work or anything, but I just thought they were so beautiful and irresistible. And especially at that price, I just couldn't resist it. I think there also is an element of, I'm tired of being stuck inside because of COVID, and I just want to feel like sexy and normal again. And if anything is going to make me feel sexy, it's going to be this pump. Okay, so that's all for the gifts that I got for myself. I should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but everything that I talk about today or show today, if I can find the same thing, I'll link it down below in the description box in case you want to do some shopping for yourselves. Now we're moving on to gifts I got from others. I have to say, my mother-in-law really gets me, and she always gets me really wonderful gifts. First thing I want to show you from her is this Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Multi-Stripe Blanket. I love Barefoot Dreams, especially this Cozy Chic material. I have several cardigans in the Cozy Chic Barefoot Dreams material, and I wish I could convey through the screen how soft this blanket is. One of the things I love about it as well is that it's warm and soft, but it's not heavy, so it's easy to use. I think everyone in the family is going to steal this from me once I actually open it. I also love the color palette on this. It has the gray, the white, the beige, the cream, so really it will go with any decor. The second thing that she got me is, and this is heavy, but the STAUB Dutch oven. This is the 4-quart. Ever since I started cooking, I wanted a cast iron Dutch oven. I love this enameled look. I love the red, actually. STAUB is made in France. And the reason why I like the STAUB, these nubs on the inside of the lid actually collect condensation and slowly drip back into the food in the pot. Anyway, so she definitely did well with this one. And then finally, I saved the best for last. My husband got me my first item from Saint Laurent. I am in love with everything Saint Laurent lately, really for years actually. I wanted this item since before I started my channel. In fact, in the only wish list video I ever did, which I think was in 2019, I mentioned this piece. When we went to Las Vegas before COVID hit, I tried on 2 colors. My husband could tell how much I loved this bag when I tried it on. He wanted to buy it for me in Las Vegas, but I don't know, we were already spending money on the trip, and I thought, why spend money on a bag? We don't really need it. And that's why I was so thrilled when I got this for Christmas. It is the Saint Laurent chain wallet. And as you can see, I haven't even unwrapped the chain yet, but I got it in the black color. I was deciding between the lighter color and this color, but when we were in the store, the sales associate did mention that color transfer was an issue on the lighter color bags. So I decided that I wanted to get the darker color and have it be more carefree. I'm sure you're all very familiar with this bag because it's very popular, but it has the gold hardware, the YSL logo. It also has a gold chain, as you can see.
The chain is actually removable, so if you want to carry this as a clutch, you certainly could, instead of as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. I love the grained leather. I think it will be much more resilient than other types of more delicate leather, and I love the contrast of the gold against the black. It's pretty roomy inside. Given that it's a chain wallet, I could definitely fit whatever I need for a night out. It's a bit hard to see because I've kept the cards in the wallet to keep it protected, but I can tell you that it has 10 card slots, so you can bring a ton of credit cards if you really want to. It has 2 bill compartments, and then it has 2 central compartments. So obviously one central compartment I'll use for my phone, the other I could use for other things that I might need on a night out. It also has a zippered coin purse in the middle, so you can keep anything that you want in there, like coins, obviously.
I am in love with this chain wallet from Saint Laurent. It's been years that I've been fantasizing about this bag, and I just feel so lucky that I was finally able to get it. I also feel lucky that my husband remembered exactly what I wanted. Even though, you know, bags aren't his thing, he actually remembered exactly the bag that I wanted and was able to get it for me for Christmas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.